Building a website can be challenging, and many developers make common mistakes that impact performance, usability, and security. Let's look at the top mistakes to avoid in web development. 1. Ignoring performance optimization. A slow website drives users away. Avoid this by compressing images, minifying CSS/JS, and using lazy loading to boost load times. Faster sites keep users engaged. 2. Poor responsive design. Failing to optimize for mobile users is a huge mistake. Make sure your website adjusts to different screen sizes using flexible grids, media queries, and responsive elements. 3. Lack of accessibility. Accessibility is crucial, but often ignored. Ensure your site works for all users, including those with disabilities. Use alt text, semantic HTML, and test with screen readers. 4. Not using version control. Skipping version control is risky. Tools like Git help track changes, recover from errors, and make collaboration easier. Always use version control for your codebase. 5. Failing to test across browsers. Your site might look different on various browsers. Always test on Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge to avoid compatibility issues.